Hello.
Hi. Lexy Go and Sergey are with you. And this is a continuation of the video about experiments with sparklers and various objects. In the last video, we put a burning sparkler in a tangerine and it glowed very beautifully. If you haven't watched this video, then be sure to watch it. You'll like it. And now we will do the same with lemon. And we are also waiting for releases with tomato, water, Coca Cola, and the letter Z from the alphabet lore. Now we will do this with lemon. Lexa, help me.
Оп.
Well done. I think it will be very beautiful.
Да? Он не стоит. Вот.
We set it on fire. And I'll turn off the lights.
Отключаем свет.
Мама!
How unusually it glows. It's amazing. Do you like it?
Yes.
If this didn't seem enough to you, then feel free to go to the next video with a tomato. It will be released as soon as there are 100 likes and 50 comments under this video. I believe you can do it. More interesting releases are waiting for you next.